Yeah, folks, listen to me. What I'm talking about strings are called immutable objects. What does it mean? Let's understand. See, for example, we have created one string. Let's say, for example, we have created one string. Let me explain. Let's say, suppose we have created one string like this. String str. This is the way of creating a string object in a literal form. Okay. So string str is equal to some value we can add. It could be something like hello. Okay. It could be something like hello. It doesn't matter. Okay. So where I have created one string str is equal to hello. Okay. String str is equal to hello. Yeah. Okay. Guys, cool now. Uh, we know that what happened now. There is a heap memory. Inside the heap memory, there will be something called what? I think you remember this box in our diagrams, right? Very good. This is called SCP, which is called string constant pool. And the string constant pool is also part of the heap memory of JVM. I'll talk about a little bit on JVM in the further classes. Okay, don't worry about that. This is called SCP, which is called string constant pool. Very good, nice. And you know, this literal, for this literal, for this value, okay, there is an object created in SCP, right? So there is an object created in SCP like this. Folks, there is an object created in SCP like this. The value is going to be hello. Am I clear with this now? Am I good so far? And who is the reference variable? str. Yeah, str is the reference variable. This is a string reference variable. Actually, these reference variables are stored in a stack memory. Later I will explain, but presently we are discussing only about heap memory. Okay, guys, observe here now. I'm talking about what strings are called immutable objects. What is the meaning of immutable object? Immutable object means once an object is created with a content, it doesn't allow to make any changes to the content in that object. Okay, that is called what type of object? Immutable. Immutable object means an object which doesn't allow to make any changes to its data. An object which does not allow to make any changes to its data is called immutable object. If an object allows to make any changes to its data, it's called mutable object. So the two words are there. What are the two words, guys? Immutable, mutable. So strings are called what now? Immutable objects. Strings are called immutable objects. Did you get clarity on this point, first of all, guys? Online folks, two words. Do you get the point? What is immutable object meaning? I will write the definitions once again. Don't worry. But what do you mean by immutable? What do you mean by mutable, guys? Do you know? Immutable, mutable. Immutable means what, first of all? Immutable object means what? An object which doesn't allow to make any data. Doesn't allow to make any changes, right? Any changes to its content or data, anything. Guys, which doesn't allow to make any changes to its content or data. This is called which type of object? Immutable object. Mutable object means what? Which allows to make any changes. Changes. Allows to make changes to its data. That is called which object? Mutable objects. In shortcut, I'm writing simply allows. Strings are called what type of object? Immutable objects. Which means what? Once a string object is created, okay. Once a string object is created in the string constant pool, it doesn't allow to make any changes to its content. Okay. If you perform any updation, or if you modify the content, for example, but it doesn't allow to make any changes.
Sorry,
No? Sorry. Am I not clear?
Your voice is breaking, sir.
Oh, is it, guys? Is the problem is there for the other guys too?
No. No,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
No,
okay.
sir.
Then. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Please do reconnect. Okay, please do reconnect. Those who are getting some issue, I think disturbance, please try to reconnect once so that I think the problem gets solved. Please try to reconnect. Okay, you just try to leave the session once again, join the session so that probably the problem may get resolved. Yeah, yeah. Thanks. Observe here, guys. If you make any changes to the content, the changes will not be allowed in this object now. That's why what happens in strings is immutable now. It doesn't allow to make any changes to the content, right? That's why what will happen next? For the modified content, for the modified data, new object will be created. Did you understood my point? Is it clear to all of you now? Okay. See here, guys. For example, if I am writing, uh, yeah, okay, str dot to uppercase. We have a method called to uppercase. What do you mean by str dot to uppercase? Str dot to uppercase means what? The data will be converted to the uppercase letters. But once data is changed to uppercase letters, the content will not be stored in the same object now, because it is what type of object? Immutable object now. That's why what happens whenever you try to make any changes to the string content, what will happen? New object will be created. That's what immutable object here. It doesn't allow to make any changes to its content. That's why what is created? New object is created. In the string constant pool, there will be new object created. There will be new object created. Folks, am I clear with this point? Just I would like to add some more space for it. New object will be created.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Thanks. Hello. Okay. Now, guys, if you write system.out.println of str, sorry, if you write system.out.println of str, do you know, guys, what's going to be printed? What the output you are expecting? After str to uppercase, if I write SOP of str, then tell me what the output you are expecting.
Yes, hello.
Yeah. What the output you are getting? But the output actually what you are getting is hello in lowercase. But not the hello in uppercase. You are getting the output as in lowercase only. Why? Okay, that's important. See here. When you're at str.to uppercase, then tell me the string is converted to uppercase. The content of the string is converted to uppercase, and the result will be stored in a new object. Okay. Okay. For this hello uppercase, a new object is created in string constant pool. That's cool. But still, please understand me. But still, where is str pointing? Str is still pointing to the object in lowercase hello only. It is pointing to an object in the string constant pool which contains a content hello in lowercase. Am I clear with this? That's why we are getting the output as hello in lowercase. I think the folks in online, probably you understood about what I'm trying to explain you. Did you understood, guys? Did you understood, guys? Okay, let me do one thing, guys. Let me copy the same once again. Yeah. Look at the difference, guys. That's the first diagram. But when we get to the second diagram, in the second diagram, you know what I'm doing is, I'm writing some, my statement I'm changing here. You can see what the statement I'm changing here. See, str is equal to str dot to uppercase. A. See the difference here, guys. Tell me where str will point now. Could you tell me where str will point now? Could you tell me where str will point now? I think you people might have understood about my point, right?
Capital hello world.
See, str dot to uppercase means what is happening? It is these two uppercase method will convert the string content into uppercase, but the result will be stored in a new string object. A new string object is created here. But tell me, it is assigned to again which variable only? It is again assigned to which variable only? Str only. Which means what? Now str is pointing to this hello. Am I clear with this? Folks, please let me know. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes,
good.
sir.
Could you tell me now where is str pointing to? Could you tell me where is that str pointing to now?
Capital hello.
Capital hello.
Capital
That's
hello.
why. Very good. That's the difference between the previous diagram and current diagram. Am I clear with this now? Output. What's the output now? Capital hello. Very good. That's the difference. Okay, I'll copy these diagrams into a document. But did you understood about what is immutable and mutable? What is immutable?
It doesn't allow to changes any.
An object which doesn't allow to make any changes to its content or the data. What is mutable object meaning? It allows to make changes to its data. Okay. Mutable means allows to make changes to make changes to its data or content. That is called mutable. First, let me add some points here. First, I want to add string immutable. Okay, I'll tell you what does it mean. Folks, first I want to add string immutable. First point, what's the point I want right here? The point, first I would like to add one point. Okay. So in Java, what? String objects are immutable objects. It means what happens now? It means, yeah. It means a string object created in the string constant pool. Am I right or not? String constant pool, SCP, right? A string object created in the string constant pool doesn't allow to make any changes to its content or data, anything. Okay, na? It doesn't allow any changes to its content or data. Okay. If any changes or if a string object is modified, yeah, if a string object is modified by calling any method, okay, then what happens now? Then, yeah, then the new object, then the new object will be created, or another object will be whatever. Okay, then a new object will be, a new string object will be created in the what? In the string constant pool. For that, a new string object will be created in the string constant pool for that object, for that content otherwise. Am I clear with this? Okay, this is called what now? Immutable. Let's go ahead, guys. So let's add with the diagrams here. Okay, one by one I will add. Okay, guys, one by one I will add. First, let me add this part. as a diagram 1. This part I will add like a diagram 1. I will insert this diagram into our document. Okay. Let me keep the document diagram over there. So I will just add this to the, yeah. So am I good with this? Am I clear with this now? Am I good with this? So far, am I clear with this? Very good. What next? Sure. Let me go ahead with the second diagram. Okay. But there is a small difference between the diagram 1 and diagram 2. Am I right? That difference you people need to understand. This is a D2. Let me add this diagram also to the our document so that you people could able to. This is a D2. Yes. Guys, am I good so far? Am I clear so far? Online folks, am I clear so far? Everyone, guys in online, am I clear so far?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, we will move ahead to discuss more things. Okay. So what's the difference between the first diagram and second diagram? In the first diagram also, we called two uppercase, but we are not storing that after converting into uppercase, there is a new object created, but we are not assigning it to the str variable. Because we are not assigning it to the str variable back, that's why str is still pointing to what? Hello in lowercase only. Very good. But here what is happening? We are assigning. That's why it is pointing to the object in the uppercase. Is it clear so far? Am I good with this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes. Very good. Cool, guys. Okay, cool, guys. Now you got what is the mutable and immutable? Very good. Like two uppercase method, what the other method we can find? Two lowercase method. Okay. See, for example, guys, understand here, I'm writing something. Please try to find output for this. Okay. I mean, please try to tell me the output. See, for example, I'm writing string str is equal to, I can add new string also, no problem. New string of, otherwise directly str is equal to, okay, your choice, guys. Okay, double quotes you can add directly. Okay. Please understand. Hello, folks. String str is equal to hello. Then I'm writing string directly I'm writing str dot concat. Concat is a method to add append. Okay, na? Str dot concat. Concat method purpose is what? Do you know what the purpose of concat method? Concat means addition, right? Concat means concatenation. Space Ashok IT. System dot out dot println of str. Could you tell me what the output of this? Folks, could you tell me what the output of this?
Hello, sir.
Hello. Ashok IT.
Just give me a second.
Only hello.
Yeah, guys. Could you tell me what the output now?
Only
Hello,
hello.
sir.
Very good. The output is only hello. Do you know why?
We are not storing.
We are not storing. Very good. We are not storing that result back to the other variable again str, right? Did you understand my point? Okay. Okay. For example, if I write Example again I'm writing, guys. For example, I'm writing like this now. String str1 equal to str dot concat. Could you tell me what's the value of str and what's the value of str1?
Hello, Ashok IT.
str1 is now pointing to the hello Ashok IT, but str is still pointing to the hello only. That's what output. Hey, this is hello, and this is what? Hello Ashok IT. Am I clear with this?
Yeah.
Folks, very good. Nice learning. Okay. So did you understood about immutable and mutable? Like two uppercase method we have, two lowercase method also. Okay, now? Right. Two uppercase, two lowercase, concat. Similarly, we have methods like starts with and ends with. Starts with method will do what? It will check whether starts with and ends with methods are there. What starts with method will check whether the string is starting with the given characters or not. If yes, returns true. Otherwise, false. Okay. Let me add some of the methods here. Okay, I'll write directly examples here. Please understand. Let me write, for example, there is a method like this now. For example, see here, string str is equal to okay, I'm just, for example, string str is equal to techwish. I'm writing what? System dot out dot println. Directly I'm writing str dot starts with tech. Guys, did you understood my point? Okay, I'm writing what? str dot starts with tech. So could you tell me what's the output now? OP means output. What's the output here?
Techwish.
No. It won't print the starts with is a method which returns Boolean value.
True.
True or false. Okay. Output will be only either true or false only. Starts with, ends with, return Boolean value. True or false. Could you tell me now?
True.
True. It is true, na? Because you see, what is my string? Techwish. Techwish starts with a tech only, na? Am I right or not? Yes. What's the output now? True. Like starts with, we have one more method called ends with. Did you guys understand my point? Here I am giving some space. It is just for you to understand about my statement. See, in my string, this is double quotes started. This is double quotes ended. Tell me, within my string, do we have any white space characters?
No, sir.
No, I don't have any white space characters in my string. Am I clear, folks? Am I
Yes,
clear,
sir.
folks? Yeah, very good. str dot starts with tech. What's the result, guys? True. True. True is the result. Starts with tech is true. Folks, am I clear with you? Did you understood about this? Did you understood about this, guys? Am I clear with this? Let's go ahead. Yeah, sure. Like starts with, we have ends with also. Let me give you even that also, guys. I'll give you that. Please look at my example. See, guys, string str is equal to, okay. For example, okay, let me write, yeah, John at gmail.com. John at gmail.com. Folks, am I clear with this? John at gmail.com. Next, what I'm writing, system.out.println str dot ends with .com. Guys, what's the result now? output will be true, because in gmail.com is a ending na, it is ending with a string called .com only na, right? Like starts with method, you have another method called what? Ends with. What this starts with will do? Checks whether the given string starts with a given characters or not. If yes, returns true, otherwise return false. Similarly, ends with also. Starts with only check at the beginning of the string. Ends with will check at the end of the string. Okay. Folks, am I clear with these definitions, guys, so far? Online people, could you tell me, did you understood about this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So next, what we will see, I will explain you what we are going to see next. There is a method called, in strings, there is a method called value of method is there. I will tell you what's the purpose of value of method. Folks, let me talk about a method called value of, v in lowercase, but of is a method in uppercase, o in uppercase. Okay, what value of method will do? So this method, please understand, will convert, this method will convert, everybody please understand, this method will convert a primitive value to a string type. Guys, could you understand my point? What's the method name? Value of method. I'm talking about this method called value of. Could you tell me what this value of method will do? Value of method will convert a primitive value to a string type. Please try to understand me. Folks, let me give you different examples. Everybody? Did you understand my, folks, did you understand my value of method, what it will do? This method will convert a primitive value to a string type. And I'll tell you how do we call this method? Directly we call this method with the class name only. It's a static method. You'll understand about what about the static methods and all later. But it's a static method. We can directly call with the class name only. Okay, na? Let me give you an example. Example 1, guys. See, let's say for example, you know, okay, sure. Please understand me. Yes, just example 1 and 2 I'll give you to understand this. Please understand me. Okay. System.out.println string dot value of 12 plus string dot value of 34. Guys, okay, could you tell me what the output of this statement? First of all, what this value of method will do? What this value of method will do? Will convert primitive value. It will convert a value from primitive type to what?
String.
Primitive to string type. Did you understand my point? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Could you tell me, guys, what is a primitive value here? 12. 12 is an integer value. Primitive
Sir.
value only, na? It is converted to what? String. Which method will do that? Value of.
Value of.
Tell me now, this 12 is converted to string. Plus.
Yes, sir.
Plus. This 34 is also converted to a string, right?
String.
So tell me, this is one string. This is one more string. We are concatenating two strings. Could you tell me the output now?
1, 2, 3,
34.
Is it a 12 plus 34 is equal to 46?
No, sir.
No. Output is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Output is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me this is converted to what first? A string? Okay. Guys, could you tell me this part is what? I'll give you one more time explanation. Please understand, guys. Could you tell me what this part is? This part is what, do you know? This part will become double quotes 1, 2. String na? Okay, am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Plus. Could you tell me what this will become? Could you tell me what this will become? Double quotes? 34. Am I clear with this now? Tell me now, these are integers or these are strings? Strings. And plus is for what now? Concatenation. If you concatenate the two strings, what's the result now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you understand my point? So which method I'm using? Value of method. What it will do? It will convert a primitive value to a string type. Did you understand my point, folks?
Yes, sir.
Example 2. Example 2. System.out.println string dot value of true plus string dot value of please understand me. Guys, please try to understand me. String dot value of true plus string dot value of, let's say, okay, it doesn't matter. Let's say string dot value of 9. Yeah, guys, could you tell me what output you are expecting?
True 9.
Exactly. Actually, true is a Boolean value, right? True and false are Boolean values. Am I clear with this, right? True and false are what? Boolean values. So true is a Boolean value.
Values.
9 is integer, but value of method will convert into string.
Both is a
True is
string.
also a Boolean value, which is converted to what? String. Could you tell me now what this part is? No. First of all, I'm asking about what this part is. This part is what? Double quotes true. It's converted, na? Plus double quotes 9. Concatenate these two. What's the result? True 9. Very good. Result is true 9. So which method I have explained you guys? Like this, you can use it for double values also. You can use it for double also. You can use it for characters also. You can use it for any other. So string dot value of, you can pass any primitive type. Byte, short, long, int, float, double, boolean, char, any primitive. But all the primitives can be converted to what? Strings. Did you understand my point? Everyone, did you understand my point? Which method I'm talking about? Value of method. What's the purpose of value of method? To convert a primitive value to a string type. Yes, that's it. Yeah, very good. Very good. Now, folks, like this, almost multiple methods we have discussed so far. Let's start writing some programs on strings. Okay. Okay. One more method I just want to explain before we enter into the programs. To-char array. Guys, what's the method name? To-char array. This is to convert a string into the character array. Okay, simply I'm writing a statement. It converts. It converts a string into a character array. It converts a string into a character array. Okay, which method I have to call to convert the string into the character array? To-char array. Am I clear, guys? If I want to convert a string into the character array, then I can go for what? 2-char array. Please understand me. Am I clear with this, guys? So I will call the method like this. Please understand me. I'll call the method like this. What's the method I'm calling? Sorry, I wanted example. What's the example I'm writing? I'm writing my example like this now. Example is something like this now. String str equal to hello. Then what I'm writing? Char array. Please understand, ch is equal to str dot 2-char array. So did you understood this? Everyone, folks? Okay? Everyone, folks, did you understood this? Guys, could you tell me, did you understood this? Could you tell me?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
how to convert the string into the character array?
Using
By
2-char
calling,
array method.
by calling 2-char array method. What happens when you call 2-char array method? The string is converted to the character array. How does the character array looks like? The character array looks like this one. How many characters are there? Hello. How many characters are there in hello? 5 characters are there. Yeah, this will be index 0. Index 0. This is at index 1. Index 1. At index 2. Folks, index 2. Index 3. And index 4. Could you tell me what are the characters here? Could you tell me what are the characters here? What is the character here? H, E, L, L, O.
L.
Yeah. L, O. So am I clear with this now? What is the name of this array? CH. What is the name of this array? CH is the name of this array. CH is the name of this array. Name of this array is CH. Yes, name of this array is CH. Could you tell me what is the index of this first character? 0. It is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This is 4. Did you understand this, guys? How to convert the string into character array? Did you understand this? Everyone? Folks, let me insert this picture into the document for your reference. Let's start with the programming, guys. So how can you able to convert a string into the character array? Did you got this point? Okay, na? So now am I clear with this? Right. So if there is a string like this, how do you convert the string into the character array? By calling a method. Which method could be called? 2-char array. 2-char array method will convert the string into a character array. We got the array of characters now? Right. Very good. Now we'll start with some programs. See, guys, our first program that we are writing, I will start working with the programs now. Let's say, just a minute. There are many programs here. Okay. Okay, here and I will write. For oops, I will start one more workspace. But for here, I'm writing, guys, one new Java project I'm creating. Okay. The Java project name I want to write is okay, oval and consonant count program. Big name I'm giving, okay? Tell me what is the project name? Oval and consonant count program. Did you understood what program that we are going to write next? If you take a string, that string can have ovals and consonants. Did you understand my point? A string can have ovals and also a string can have consonants. What we want to count? How many vowels are there and how many consonants are there in a given string? Am I clear with this? Everyone? Folks, did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes? Online folks, did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Please try to understand me. Okay. So first I will write the definition, program definition on top. Let me create the new class. New class I'm creating here, guys. Class name I want to, first package name is com.ashokit. Some package name, whatever, basics, okay. Something, some package name. Class name we need to enter, na? Class name I want to enter, you know what? Vowel consonant count. That's my class name with the main method. Finish. Look at this, guys. First, I would like to write the comment of the program. What's the comment of the program? Comment I'm writing on top. It's a multi-line comment. It's not a single line comment. Do you know how do you start with a single line comment? 2 forward slash characters. If you write 2 forward slash characters, double forward slash characters, it's called single line comment. But if you write a forward slash and the asterisk symbol indicates multi-line comment. And you should end it with the asterisk followed by forward slash. This is called multi-line comment. You can write comment in multiple lines now within these characters. Okay, I'll write this program finds the number of what and what vowels and consonants in a given string. Am I clear with this? Okay. First, to take the string from the user, we need a scanner object. So what we are creating new? Scanner of system.in. Did you understand my point, guys? Everyone, did you understand my point? Scanner S is equal to new scanner of what? System.in. This is very common, right? System.out.println. Please enter a string. Take the string into one variable. Sc dot next line. So far, am I clear? Now, what I have to find in the given string? How many vowels are there and how many consonants are there? Am I clear with this? Everybody? Did you understand my program, guys? What program that we are writing? So what I will do is, I will call one method. I'll call one method. That method what I'm calling is, I'm calling one method here. Okay. The method which I'm calling is vowel, not vowel, and find vowel consonant count of str. Do you have any predefined method? Do you have any predefined method in Java which directly says the vowel and consonant count? No. We have to create the method. What's the name of the method? Find vowel consonant count. This method is not there. I have to create now. So I'm going to create the method. Yes, I'm creating the method. Did you guys understood this? Here I should start working with my program. Tell me, I have to store the, could you tell me the logic, anybody? I mean, suppose if this is the requirement, could you tell me any logic that you are thinking on how to find the count of vowels and consonants? Anybody?
In if statement, we have to write check, sir, whether 5 vowels are there in a string or not.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Else
Very good.
it is a else it is a consonant.
Okay. Okay.
If it is a vowel, we increment the count value. Otherwise, we increment the consonant value.
Okay. Okay. Anybody else? Yeah, that's good. Others next. Anybody else?
Yes, first we can convert into a character array.
Okay.
Then we can check with consonant.
Good. Good. Very good. Yeah, guys. See, if I want to find whether a character is a vowel or consonant, first you do one thing, convert the string into the character array. Could you tell me how can we convert a string to a character array?
Two-char array.
Yes. We can call the method called two-char array. Did you understand my point? Yes. Actually, without converting into character array also we can do the work. If you want to get the character at a given index, if you want to get the character from the given index, then tell me which method you have to call. In the last class, I told you about the methods now.
Caret.
Very good. There is a method called char at. Character at the given index. Char at of index. Okay. How do you find the index of a character? I have a character.
Index.
I want to find the index of it.
Index of.
Index of. Opposite methods. Char at of index means returns a character at the given index. Index of character means returns the index of the given character. Opposite now. Okay. Here I am passing index, I'll get the character. In index of method, I am passing the character, I will get the index. So both are opposite methods. Now I told even the last class we discussed about code also. I mean examples also. Am I clear with this, guys? Okay. Like that also I can do. That is one way. Other way is what? First convert the string into the character array. First convert the string into character array and take one by one character. From the array you can take one by one character. After taking one by one character, what you have to do? Check whether this is a vowel or a consonant. First you check what? Vowels. A-E, I-O-U. Either in lowercase or uppercase. So sometimes you know what happens in my string. There could be vowel, uppercase letter could be there. Lowercase letter could be there. What happens if I, for example, if I'm writing the if condition, I have to write in my if condition for vowel lowercase letters and vowel uppercase letters. Then more, more conditions required. A-E-I-O-U, A-E-I-O-U, totally 10 conditions required. Am I right or not? To minimize them, what can I do?
To uppercase or convert to lowercase.
Convert my string. Very good, excellent. Convert the total string into lowercase first. If you convert the string into lowercase, then you can check only with lowercase letters, na? Or you convert into uppercase, you can check with only uppercase, na? So that's what I'm talking about. Am I clear with this?
Yes.
Very good.
Yes, sir.
So first what I do is, I'll take two variables, int v count equals to 0, comma c count equals to 0. One is for vowel count. One is for consonant count. Am I clear with this? Yes. I'm taking two variables. Next, please understand me. str is equal to str dot two lowercase.
Lowercase.
Did you understand now?
Yes, sir.
That's why I have explained today. If you write only right side one and don't write left side one, then what happens?
It will refer to the
str
same
will still
str.
point to the old object only,
Yes, sir.
but not to the new object. But how do you convert or how do you move your str variable to the new object?
By assigning it
By
to the
assigning
str
it to the str variable again. Did you understand now? Very good. So first what I'm doing here, convert the given string into lowercase. Very good. Good to know. Could you tell me? Oh, yeah. Could you tell me next?
Character
Convert the
array.
string into character array. Character array. Could you tell me how to convert the string into character array?
str dot
Char
to
array. First char array, na? Char array ch is equal to
str dot to
str dot to char array.
and
Sir, did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Everybody in online, did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Char array ch is equal to str dot to char array. Now tell me, we got the character array? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, I have to take one by one character from this array.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, could you tell me the for loop? Anybody else in online? It's better somebody. I will ask, for example. Rav Sri, could you tell me how do you write the for loop here? Could you tell me how to write the for loop here to take the first character to the last character? Could you tell me how to write the for loop here?
For
Please.
integer I equal to 0, I less than equal to the char
Was
of
right.
cs dot length minus 1 and I
Hmm.
plus plus.
Okay. Rav Sri, somebody joined with the name RAVSSREE. Could you tell me, is it correct? Could you tell me, is it correct? Did you? Yeah, please go into mute, other guy. Please go into mute. Yeah. Yeah, folks. Yeah, okay. Yeah, guys. Observe here.
Sir, we can also use for each loop also, right?
We can also write for each loop. Just a minute. But I am writing normal for loop only because to explain you once again, recollect for loop and all. Yeah, could you tell me how to write for loop once again, guys? For int I equals to 0. I is our loop variable. Next, I less than only. Less than or equal to also you can write, but less than only we follow. Less than ch dot length.
Dot length.
I plus plus.
I plus plus. You know already how to write the loop, right? Did you understood this? Why
Yes,
I am
sir.
not writing length? See, why I am not writing length with open close parenthesis?
Array
Because
has
it is
Whenever you are calling length, first identify who is this guy.
array.
CH. Who is CH?
Character array.
Array. That's it. If it is an array,
We write
then call
length.
the length attribute.
Otherwise,
If it is a string,
we call length.
it is not an array. If it is a single string, then call the length method. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Yeah. Very good. Please, guys, please concentrate here. Okay. Tell me what are the conditions to check now.
If
If
AOUI
if CH of I equal to either A, E, I, O, U, right?
yes.
Yes. Okay. What I will do is, please let us increase the level of writing the code. Okay. Let me call a method called isVowel of CH of I. Hey, don't confuse now. IsVowel
Okay,
is
sir.
not a already given method. I am only writing
are-
this method again. I am just creating one more additional method.
Yes,
So
sir.
far we know two methods, main method and one more method. Today, main method, one more method. Just we are increasing, that's it. Let me create. Guys, let me create one more method. What's the method name? isVowel.
isVowel.
Returns what?
Boolean.
Boolean. Here I am writing that if condition. Am I
Yes,
clear
sir.
with this, guys?
Yes, sir.
That's better, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Could you tell me if C is
dot
our
caret.
character? C is our character, na? If C is equal to
Okay.
A.
C is A R
Or C is equal to
E.
E, or C is
I.
equal to I. Very good. Could you tell me, guys,
True.
if you are not understanding code, please stop me and ask me your doubt, okay? Na? I will explain how many times you want, but you have to understand. That's it.
True.
Finally, you should get the code.
U. That's
Am I
it, sir.
clear? Written,
True.
true. Very good. Else,
False.
please stop me. Please stop me and make your doubt to be cleared. If in case if you are getting any doubt, please let me know. Am I clear with this, guys?
Yes, sir.
What I am passing here to the is vowel method?
Character.
One character I am passing at the index I. One character
Yes,
I am
sir.
getting into the variable called C. One character I am
Yes, sir.
getting into C. Then what I am checking here is that character in C is A or E or I or O or
U.
U, because A, I, O, U called vowels. Written what? True.
False.
Otherwise written what? False.
Otherwise false.
Tell me if it returns true. If is vowel is true, then tell me which
Incre-
count I have to increment.
B count.
V count. V count plus plus. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Am I clear? V count plus plus. Tell me
Else,
next.
C count.
Else
C count. Increment C count.
increment C count. Okay. Anybody else? Is it clear? Is it correct? Else increment C count. Somebody told me that else increment C count. Is it correct by everyone? Did you understand this? Yeah. Yeah, Adarsh said increment C count. But I'm asking other guys, is it true? Is it correct? Can I write else? Can I write else C count plus plus? Because if it is not an oval, then it's a consonant.
Yes.
Okay. Now see the problem here. Guys, I gave a string like this. Please enter the string means I gave the string like this. For the string, you know what I have entered string is hello 1, 2, 3.
Okay, if there is a yeah, okay, sir.
Hello 1, 2, 3. Then
It will increment for 1, 2, 3 also.
yeah, very good. See, E is a oval. O is also oval. How many ovals are there? 2. How many consonants are there? H,
3.
L, 1, 2, 3. You'll get output 6.
Yes,
But
sir.
actually 1, 2, 3 is not consonant.
Yes, sir.
It's a digit. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
That's why. Tell me if it is not an oval, then check for whether it's a digit or not.
Yes, sir.
If it is not a digit and not a oval, then consonant. Am I clear? Everybody? Online folks, please speak out and tell me, is it okay? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then I'm writing else if one more condition.
Yes, sir.
One more condition. Guys, please understand. In Java, we have a class called character. What's the class name? Character class is there. In character class, there is a method there called isDigit. There is a method, predefined method. Please understand. Everybody. Did you understand my point? Guys.
Yes. Yes, sir.
CH of I. Tell me guys what this method will do.
Return whether the digit, character is digit or not.
If suppose that character is a digit, returns true.
True.
Otherwise,
false.
False. Tell me, we have to check what? When we have to increment a C count? If it is a digit, we have to increment, or if it is not a digit?
Not a digit.
If it is not a digit. See guys, I'm using not operator. I'm using not
Sorry.
operator.
Instead,
First of all,
we can
tell
instead
me,
we
tell
can
me.
check whether the character is alpha or not. Because if we give spaces or special characters also, it will
It will increment
remain.
even for special character also. Yes. That is also you can check. Yeah, that's also correct. Because, okay, if I want to write by satisfying all the conditions, later on we will find, because as of now you are just learning. Because what happens, if you give, what about if you give @ or a hash or some other character in the given string? That is also not a consonant or not a vowel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right, good. That full-fledged program we'll write later. But at least for basic program we are writing. Okay. So guys, not character dot is digit. First of all, tell me what is digit method returns. If the given character is a digit, returns true. If it is not a digit, false. Suppose if it is false, is digit is false. What do you mean by not of false?
True.
True. Not means negation. Na? You'll convert the true to false and false to true. Na? Yes.
Yes.
My question to me, guys, please understand me. When does control will enter into this else if block?
Only if the given
If that,
character
not a
is
vowel.
if that character is not a,
Vowel.
no. I'm asking about when does control enter into the code of, into this block, else if block?
then it is
It
not
is
digit.
not a digit.
If it is not a digit. If that given character is not a digit. How to check whether it's a digit or not? How to check whether it is a digit or not a digit? Is digit. True means what? Yes, this character is a digit. False means what? This character is not a digit. Not a false means what?
True.
True. True. If it is true, then C count. Consonant count. Am I clear? Guys, am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Now, once the for loop is completed, if completed, else if completed, I don't want it else block. I wanted only if and corresponding else if, but I don't want it next corresponding else. And I want to close the for loop. These closings are very important. Once the closing of the for loop is done, this is end of the for loop, right? This is end for. Tell me. Print what and what variables? System.out.println. Whose count? Vowels count. How do you print it? You can print it by saying v count. How do you print consonants count? System.out.println. Consonant
C
count. Yeah. Variable is C count. Plus concatenation C count. Did you understood this? Folks, everyone, did you understood this? Am I clear with this? Guys, did you understood and am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Let's run this program, guys. Let's run this program, guys. Hey, what's asking me? Please enter a string. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Could you tell me what's the output? Could you tell me what's the output? Vowel count is 2. Consonant count is 3. Vowels count is 2. Consonant count is 3. At least digits we avoided, na? But if I give @ or dot, did you get my point? Then consonant count will be incremented. Because I am not writing the condition to check whether it is a dot symbol or not, white space or not, @ symbol or not, hash or not. I'm not checking, na? I'm only checking for digit or not, okay? That's why This program is at least some basic program. Later we'll see how to modify, restructure this program later. But so far, it's a basic program. Guys, in this program, tell me how many methods I have created in my class? Apart from main method, 2. One is
2 method.
find
Find
vowel
consonant.
consonant count. Another method is
Is vowel.
is vowel. Tell me, is vowel is a predefined method or user defined method?
User defined method.
User defined, because I am only defining na user defined method. What about is it
Predefined.
predefined method? Okay. Tell me, main method is a predefined method or user defined method? Main is a predefined method or user defined method?
Predefined.
No,
Predefined.
no. Main is user defined method. What do you mean by predefined method? What do you mean by user defined method?
Define means
User
it's in
defined.
my Java.
I have a question to you. We called a method called str dot to lowercase.
Predefined.
Tell me, to lowercase is a predefined method or user defined method?
Predefined.
Predefined.
Predefined method. It's a predefined method because it's already defined. You're not defining it. You're not writing curly brace start and curly brace end. But what about main method? You're writing like this only. Public method name is given by JVM, Java.
Okay.
Main string args. Then you are starting a curly brace, na? You are starting
sir.
the curly brace and you are only defining some code here.
Yes, sir.
Did you understood, guys? Online folk, did you understood my subject? Did you get my point?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Tell me now, main method name is given by JVM, Java. Did you get my point? Only name given by Java. Main is a method. Program execution starts from a main method. You have tried the main method syntax like this. Syntax is given by Java. But who is defining this method? We are only defining, na? Tell me now it becomes what? User defined method. Did you understood how it is user defined method now? Very good.
Yes, sir.
Nice. Very good. What about is vowel in our program today?
User
User
defined.
defined.
Is vowel.
Defined.
User defined method. We are only very good. Nice. We are only defining with some logic. If condition AEIOU. Like this, we are only writing, na? But what about is it?
Predefined.
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 Yes. Predefined. Very good. 2 lowercase.
Predefined.
Predefined. 2 char array. Predefined.
Predefined.
Did you understood now what is user defined, predefined? For a method,
sir.
if you start the curly brace and you are writing something, it is called user defined. Tell me, main is a user defined method or predefined method? Main is a user defined method because you are only defining. Only main syntax is given by Java, but main method is defined by programmer. That's why it is called user defined method. So don't confuse now. If anybody asks in interview, main is a predefined method or user defined method, then what's your answer? It's a user defined method. Only syntax is given by Java, but definition is written by programmer. It's a user defined method. Cool. Let me copy this. Guys, this program, you please try to make it in such a way that it should work for every string. I mean, enhance this program, the same program, practice. While practicing, you also think and write. If any special characters comes like hash, @ then they are not consonants. They are not, white space is also not a consonant. So you write the program in such a way that it should work for all strings. If I give white space, if I give @ also, my program should display the correct output. In that way, you try to make this program. I gave, okay, 60, 70%, 70% program I gave, which is working 70%, but make it as 100%. Am I clear with this? Folks, everyone in online, am I clear with this? Did you understand this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cool. Very good. So I will start program from this line. Yeah. This is a program. I'm just keeping it. And I would like to add the today's date. Actually, I forgot to add the today's date. Yesterday we don't have any session. Yeah, from here we started immutable, right? So date, please. Okay, on one day I will compensate. Don't worry, guys. I'll take some, almost like half day kind of a session, so that for whatever the classes we are missing. Yesterday I was absent. Okay, I think before that week also one day I was absent, so I didn't take the session. So I'll compensate all these by taking some long session. We'll plan. Okay, we'll plan on one day a long session. I'll tell you, if possible, either on Saturday or Sunday, we'll plan for a long session so that we can discuss more. Okay. Date. What's the today's
Okay,
date?
sir.
18. Yeah. 18th June. Okay. So am I clear with this concept so far? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very good. Next, this is the first program. I mean, one program we completed on strings. Tell me, substring is a predefined method or user-defined method?
That's predefined.
Substring.
Defined.
Predefined.
Substring is a predefined method or user-defined? What is the use of substring method? But what
only-
can we do with the substring? What do you mean by
To get-
substring?
To get
Provide
some
the
of string.
Substring is nothing but portion of a string. You have a string. From that string, you want to get some part. A part of a given string is called substring. Please go through the notes every day. Okay. Please try to read and practice. Substring is nothing but what? Part of a portion of a given string. You have a string. From that string, you want to take some portion. That is called substring. Like, for example, from index 3 to index 8. I want to collect the 3 to 8 characters. That is called substring. Substring is nothing but portion. Some portion of a string is called substring only, na? Right. Tell me, is it a predefined method or user-defined method?
Predefined.
Predefined method. Substring method I told, you can call in two ways. Substring of starting index you can pass. And substring of you can pass both beginning index and end index also. But it will return the characters up to end index -1. It will return the
Yes, sir.
characters up to end index -1.
Minus.
If you write the end index, it will return up to end index -1. Substring. Please go through all the methods, okay? So far, many methods we discussed. Could you tell me what methods you remembered about string? So far, so many methods I told you, na? Today, what methods I told you today, at least today? Today, we discussed some string methods. Or the last method I told you about?
Concat.
To char array,
Char
value of,
Concat.
collect,
To upper. to
concat,
lower.
concatenation of two strings, concat. Next,
To upper.
two
to lower.
uppercase, two lowercase, obviously, starts with, ends with,
And so
recollect like that. Yeah, and day before yesterday, I mean, in the last session also we discussed about methods like caret and one method, index of is another method. Next, we also discussed about, a method. Do you know what the method we discussed? Trim. Some methods you tell me like that. Some methods, whatever you remembered. Trim is a method we discussed. Like that, any other methods you remembered? Substring method also we discussed now, okay. Like that, any other string methods you remembered?
replace.
Very good. Replace method. Replace all method. Very good. Split method. Join method. Split join are opposite methods. Length method. Did you understand my point? Folks, everyone in online? Equals method. Double equal to operator. Equals ignore case method. Strings equality, I told. Strings equality, I told, na? Guys, everyone, am I clear? Please go through all these methods. In how many ways we can compare the two strings? How many ways totally? 4 ways.
4.
4 ways. One is double equal to operator, equal to operator. Second one, guys, do you get online guys? Did you tell me? Can you tell me now? Equals method.
Equals to,
Equals ignore case.
yeah,
Fourth way is also there. Compare to.
compared to.
Very good. How many ways are there? 4.
4 ways.
Very good. Excellent. Very good. So please go through once. Guys, yeah, is empty, is blank. We discussed all those methods, right? Please go through the methods notes. Please read the notes every day. Today also I will upload these notes to you. Please go through the notes and practice this program. Okay, tomorrow we'll see another important program called string palindrome, strings anagrams. Okay, occurrence, frequency of a character. Like that, various fresher level interview programs are there. So those programs and all we are going to discuss tomorrow. Am I clear with this? Folks, am I clear with this? Tomorrow I will continue. Today I will stop here. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you. I will share these notes.